here we have an old Lennox unit and two American Standard Odyssey units, one of which is running. The Lennox's model number is HS18-653-8Y, and I do not see a serial number on here. Oh, found the serial number. This is a 1991 Lennox because there's a day of manufacture, but the serial number is 5191E07627. So as it turns out, this is a 1991 Lennox unit. Now here's the first American Standard Odyssey. You can see it's American Standard right back here. The model number is TWA 090A300FB. It's from 2007. Serial numbers is 70844WKAD. I believe that this is a heat pump. This one's off. It's got a big scroll compressor in there. Scroll compressor in there. You can see. It says American Standard on it as well. And this is a straight cool unit. The model number is TTA 090A300FA. It's made in 2005. Serial number is 5432. Oh, and it just started up. But the serial number is 54322E7AD. You can see it's also an Odyssey. So 2005 and 2007. You can see this just started up. So yeah, nothing much else here. And still running. But yeah, a 1991 Lennox, possibly heat pump. A 2007 American Standard Odyssey heat pump, and a 2005 American Standard Odyssey straight cool unit. Over and out.